Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Tatiana Panowska and I'll be your teacher for today's lesson. And today's lesson is about the differences between the present simple and the present continuous tense. At the end of the lesson, you will know the differences between the present simple and the present continuous, and you will know when to use the present simple and when to use the present continuous tense. На крајот од овој час, вие ќе ги знаете разликите помеѓу овие две времиња, кои што на македонски можеме да ги кажеме како сегашно просто и сегашно трајно време, и ќе знаете кога да го употребите сегашно просто, а кога да го употребите сегашно трајно време. At this table, you can see how we form present simple and present continuous. However, we are going to focus on the use of these two tenses, not on the form. Значи, ние нема да се фокусираме на овој час на структурата, односно како се формираат овие две времиња, туку на употребата, па така, ако некој од вас не се сигурни како се формираат овие времиња, паузирајте го видеото и поминете низ овие примери што се дадени во табелава. And we are going on now. We'll start with some examples. The first example is here. Look, I usually wear glasses, especially when I read. But now I'm not wearing glasses. I don't need them now. I usually wear glasses, but I'm not wearing glasses now. I usually wear present simple. I'm not wearing present continuous. Let's see another example. Meet Tom. Tom works in an office from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. every workday. He works there on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, and on Friday. But now it's Sunday, 11 a.m. and Tom is at home. What's he doing? He's playing his guitar at the moment. He works in an office from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. present simple. He's playing his guitar at the moment present continuous. So let's see when to use present simple and when to use present continuous. We use present simple to talk about everyday activities or habits. Habits, навики. Повторливи секојдневни дејствија кои што ни преминале во навики. For example, he walks his dog every day. Every day. Тој го шета своето куче секој ден. Тоа му е навика, му преминало во навика. Секој ден, не пропушта ден да го прошета своето куче. We use present continuous tense to talk about actions taking place at the moment of speaking. Го користиме present continuous да зборуваме за дејствија кои што се случуваат во моментот на зборување. Значи, го гледаме дејствието и зборуваме за него. He's walking his dog at the moment. We can see him. Talk about that at the moment. He walks his dog every day, present simple. He's walking his dog at the moment, present continuous. Another use of present simple is to talk about things that are always true, facts. Like water boils at 100 degrees. That's a fact. Факт е нешто што е постојано точно, непобитна вистина. So, do you know any other facts? And we use present continuous for temporary situations, exceptions. Значи, исклучоци. Кога зборуваме за нешто што е исклучок од нашето секојдневие. For example, do you remember? I usually wear glasses, but I'm not wearing glasses at the moment. That's an exception. Or, I usually walk to school, but today I'm late, so I'm taking the bus. Usually, повторливо, секојдневно, тој пешачи до училиште, но во моментот поради тоа што доцни, ќе оди со автобус. So that's an exception, and that's why we use present continuous. The time expressions that are used with these two tenses. Секое граматичко време има временски изрази или прилози за време кои што се користат со тоа граматичко време и тие можеме да ги наречеме сигнални зборови, значи ни сигнализираат за кое време станува збор. Што значи, за present simple, time expressions кои што ги користиме се always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. Do you remember what these words are? How do we call them? You're right. These are the adverbs of frequency. So we use present simple with these adverbs of frequency. Other time expressions that we use with present simple are every day, month, year, in winter, on Monday, once a week, once a month, once a year, twice a week, 3 times a year. And time expressions that are used with present continuous are now, at the moment. Понекогаш со present continuous ги користиме и глаголите look and listen, бидејќи тие насочуваат дека действието се случува во моментот. Значи, погледни, слушни, нешто се случува, нешто има некои звуци, нели? Listen, he's playing his guitar. Во англискиот јазик има глаголи кои што никако не можат да бидат во present continuous, значи не можат да имаат ing форма. Тие глаголи се нарекуваат stative verbs or non-action verbs. Stative verbs like love, like, hate, want, need, remember, understand. So what do we do if we can't put them in present continuous? We use present simple. Значи, со овие глаголи, дури и кога действието се случува во моментот на зборување, не можеме да употребиме present continuous, туку present simple. For example, I love your new coat. He doesn't know the answer. Do you remember me? Sorry, teacher, but I don't understand the question. Now, let's try and check your understanding. Да се обидеме да провериме колку сте запамтиле. Јас ќе ви кажам реченица, вие ќе ми кажете дали реченицата е точна или е погрешна. True or false. We use present continuous to talk about something happening in front of our eyes. Is it true or false? What do you think? Of course, it's true. Го користиме present continuous, сегашното трајно време, да зборуваме за нешто што се случува пред нашите очи. Значи се случува во моментот на зборување. Well done. Let's go on. Next. We use the present continuous tense with the verb feel. What do you think? True or false? It's false. The verb feel is a stative verb. Значи, глаголот feel не може да има continuous tense, затоа е овај исказ погрешен. I'm loving it. True or false? False. Sorry, McDonald's. True or false? With the adverbs of frequency, we use the present simple tense. Of course, it's true. Со прилозите за зачестеност користиме present simple tense. When I talk about my habits, I use the present simple. True or false? You're right. It's true. Habits, значи за навики кога зборуваме, користиме сегашно просто време. Very well. Well done. For the end, we have an exercise. You can pause this video and do this exercise, and also you can go back if you're not sure about some of the sentences, so you can check through this video. Pause the video, write the answers in your notebook. I hope you did them all correctly. So let's see, what have you done? We sit the park now. So here we have the signal verb word now, which means that this sentence is in present continuous tense. We are sitting in the park now. She goes shopping every day. Every day signals that this sentence is in present simple. So, she goes shopping every day. You know that third person singular present simple es to the verb. Nina usually gets up 6 o'clock. Usually, adverb of frequency, signals that this sentence is in present simple tense. Nina usually gets up at 6 o'clock, and you see usually goes in front of the verb. He waits for the bus at the moment. At the moment, of course, present continuous. He's waiting for the bus at the moment. I want new bike. No signal words. What are we going to do here? But we have the verb want, which cannot have continuous tense. So it's present simple. I want a new bike. They live in London. They live in London. So here, live, something that is like permanent. So they live in London, present simple. That's all for today. Goodbye.